In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop-loss order on Robinhood using your PC. Setting a stop-loss order is a smart way to help protect your investment from sudden drops in the market value of a stock you own. This type of order tells Robinhood to automatically sell your shares if the stock's price falls to a level you choose, helping you minimize potential losses without having to monitor the market all day. Let's get started by logging in to your Robinhood account on your computer. Open your web browser and visit Robinhood's official website. Enter your login credentials, and once you've signed in, you'll see your portfolio dashboard where you can view all of your investments. Next, locate the stock in your portfolio that you'd like to protect with a stop-loss order. You can find this by scrolling through your list of owned stocks or using the search bar if you have a large portfolio. Once you've found the stock, click on it to open its dedicated information page. With the stock's details page open, look for the Trade button, usually positioned somewhere near the top of the page. Click on Trade Sauver, and you'll see several options appear. Choose Sell. This action indicates you want to place an order that will sell shares of the selected stock. Now, take a look at the different order types available. Find either the Order Type drop-down menu or the Conditional Orders section, depending on how your interface looks. From there, select Stop Order. This specific order type is commonly referred to as a stop loss, as it directs Robinhood to sell your shares if the stock's price drops down to a certain amount. Next, it's time to enter your stop price. This is a critical step, so give it some thought. The stop price is the threshold that triggers your sell order. It should generally be set below the current market price, but at a level where you'll feel comfortable if the price starts to fall. For instance, if your stock is trading at $50 and you want to prevent your losses beyond $45, you would set your stop price at $40. Enter the number of shares you wish to protect with this stop-loss order. You can choose to protect part or all of your holdings in this stock. Just be sure to double-check the number you input. After this, you'll need to select how long you want the stop-loss order to remain active. You'll typically see options such as Good for Day, which means the order is only active until the market closes, or Good Till Cancelled, which can keep the order active for up to 90 days. Finally, review all the details you've entered to make sure everything is accurate. When you're satisfied, click Review, and then confirm by clicking Sell to officially place your stop-loss order. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can help shield your investments from unexpected downturns. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to monitor your investments and adjust your stop-loss orders as your goals or the market conditions change.